Hi guys, I want to give you a tour of this 2023 Cougar half-ton 23 MLE. This is a pretty lightweight fifth wheel, so you're going to have a lot more towing vehicle options to be able to haul this thing, which is pretty nice. Great for smaller families or for couple, single person, whatever the case may be. We are here in the master bedroom. Queen size bed is in the middle. You can lift out for some extra storage. End tables are on each side, and there's even some additional corner shelving and some cabinetry just underneath with doors, so you can kind of hide your personal belongings, add more storage, decorations, things like that. Power outlets and USB ports are on each side as well, and then closet lockers are hanging above each. Two cabinets in between that connect both of them for even more space. And then you are prepped for a second AC here in the master bedroom. At the foot of the bed is actually a spot where you can have a TV hung up if you want. And then just behind me is a wardrobe slide on your non-camping side. So your taller closet space with mirror paneling on the outside, open shelving, and then 3 jumbo-sized drawers down below. As we walk on out, immediately you have your bathroom, so it's not very far if it happens to be an emergency. Barn-style sliding door with a magnetic latch for the privacy. And then walking in, porcelain foot flush toilet, towel rack, storage space, and it actually goes back pretty far. It's dark in there, so you can't see how far back it goes, but it's pretty much the depth of the shower is pretty much how far back it goes. Speaking of shower, this is a sit-down residential style sit-down shower, perfect for relaxing. You got your 3 paneled sliding glass doors. It's clear, so it makes the space feel a lot more open. And then just above is your skylight and vent fan. Vanity, medicine cabinet, sink with storage down below, and some power in here if you need it. Located on your steps is a built-in iron railing, a little nightlight. So this is a motion sensor little nightlight. You can kind of be able to see the steps if you need to come into the kitchen space at night and you don't have to trip and fall. But just above is actually your in-command system. So through this touchscreen, you can set a specific passcode that only you and your family know, just for some extra privacy and protection. But you can literally access everything in here. You can see how full all of your tanks are. Turn your lights on and off with a touch of a button. So it's a really cool feature that they have. You can kind of play around with it so you can get used to it, slide out your awnings that way, but they even have an app that you can download for free to be able to do it from your phone while you're standing outside. If you want to make it nice and warm and toasty in here, if it happens to be a pretty chilly night, you can already set it to that setting before you even walk in the camper. Walking down to the rest of the coach, it's kind of an open space for the rest of it for hosting and entertaining. Breakfast bar, as soon as you walk in, place smaller appliances there, decorations, whatever you want, storage down below and up above. Open shelving in your pantry space, and it's super tall all the way from the floor to the ceiling. And honestly, it doesn't go completely up to the ceiling, so if you wanted to put decorations up there, you can. Turning around to the slide out, theater reclining seats. These are fully equipped. Has heating, massage, accent lights, and each seat has their own cup holder, USB port to charge the phone, and in between is actually remote control storage. Lots of windows in this unit as well, and most of them do open up. Dimmer switch is located on the lights in the slide out, so you can kind of change that to your own comfortability. Also located on the slide out is the refrigerator. So it's not far of a walk from your theater seats if you want to grab a quick snack. The flooring in the slide out is not carpet, so this is like an outdoor woven rug material. Across the way is your entertainment center. Huge TV, cabinetry on both sides. And this side actually has your DVD Blu-ray system. You can also connect your phone, listen to your own music, the radio, all that fun stuff. And then over here is just some empty cabinetry, empty shelving. Booth dinette. This will fold down to a sleeping spot for extra people. So this is where If you are a smaller family, this could work for you, this particular floor plan, or if you have guests coming to stay with you. Legs of the table are mounted against the wall, so your knees won't be hitting it, but it's a neat little area. You have a huge window, at the back of it, so you can get a really nice view wherever you park your camper, just sitting there. And then lastly, on the inside is a huge rear kitchen. I love the rear kitchens. They give you a lot more storage space and countertop space to work with. 3-burner stovetop with this glass cover that you can also use for extra countertop space. Oven. Range hood. Lots of cabinets and windows as well. These all look like they open up, which is pretty nice. 50-50 split stainless steel sink. Spray faucet too. More storage down below, and then more countertop space. Microwave. And then let's take a quick look at the outside. So all the way at the front is your Road Armor pin box with the patented hitch vision just above. Even some accent lights on your front cap, so it looks pretty awesome. Plus it has the updated 2023 design on it. Below your hitch is actually where your battery goes, plus some additional storage. 2 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And a slam latch door leading into your pass-through storage space. This is also where your manual control paneling for the in-command system is located. So if for some reason it's, acting up or being wonky or whatever, you can still be able to control everything manually in this in-command system. So you're not stuck with your slide outs out or anything like that. Hookups for a TV, solid steps. Oversized grab handle leading into your camper. This also has an endless hot water, which is pretty nice, and a solar panel on it. Since this is a 2023 Keystone model, all of your 22s and 23s have them. Powered awning to relax underneath. Outside speakers. Lithium batteries on board too. And a little mini kitchen. So you got your mini fridge, and then just below is a stainless steel capital grill, which is super nice. All the way at the back, you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one, and then of course you have a ladder for maintenance purposes. 2 slide outs on your non-camping side. Access to your furnace and water heater, again for maintenance purposes. And all of your water hookups are in one convenient location. There's even a little light so you can see what you're doing if you get to the campground while it's still dark outside. You have access to an external shower. It comes with this hose right here so you can extend the nozzle out. Winterizing takes place here as well. Open your tanks up. Multi-source signal controller for your Key TV. You also have your auto leveling buttons over here. But any additional questions or concerns about the 23 MLE, feel free to let us know.